The theater is putting on another great play, and we got an inside look.
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is about being a good person and wanting others to be able to enjoy in that goodness. When we are selfish and we want just what is right for us, it kind of cuts other people out. And in the end, Charlie gets rewarded for her ability to think of others. For the last 25 years, I've been directing shows, and my first 10 years here at Rockford, I was hired to direct mostly the fall play. I choreographed the musicals and the spring play, and then I've also directed at Northview and at Kennewick Hills. My directing style is very education-based. It's super important to me that the kids have responsibility. They're in charge of the creative direction, and it's my job to help guide them in their conversations and help motivate them to move forward, give them some inspiration, but then ultimately to create the tools that they can then pick up and use. Spring play, in my opinion, needs to be something that's fun. It's quick, very family-friendly, because in the spring everyone is so busy, and so we have to squeeze something in, and then it's just really fun and playful, and I like the moral.
Theater lets you step out of your comfort zone and become somebody different.
You can just enjoy imagination, which is the word from the play that I like to hang on to. Have an hour of fun with their family, watching some kids really create a new world and be able to have that memory and maybe get inspired to get involved in theater.
This is Jaden Jenkins with Beyond the Rock News, signing off.